Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Jeep Wrangler 5-door model. So as you all know, Jeep Wrangler is a 4x4 SUV. Moreover, this is the die-cast model. This is a 1:36 scale model toy of the legendary off-roader. This metallic die-cast car has two openable front doors. A well-designed interior looks good for this toy car. This is a pullback action toy car. If you like this metal car, please click on the like button. Share my videos. To know your doubts or suggestions, please use the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.